What's going on, y'all? Back at it again with the back at it again. So for tonight, we have the all-wheel drive versus a 300ZX, and we have possibly a Supra lined up as well, and maybe some more cars, you know, some more racing going down tonight. I'll for sure get all that for you guys on camera. I'm supposed to be linking up with the guys right now to go get a test pass going, but if you don't like and subscribe already, leave the video, give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe. Still a little update on my life. I still have my coupe. Perfection does not happen overnight. Bear with me. It's just very expensive. That's for later. But I will be making a video on this car very soon, and you know, all the parts I have collected and stuff, and possibly putting the motor in soon. Remember, like, subscribe, and enjoy today's video, guys.
A few moments later.
Yo, you Mayweather? I got your hat. The video is.
And put
Nigga pa
the
negro, nigga pa negro.
Yo,
Luce. Hold on. They got the line for the black person.
All right, y'all. We live for the black person. They can barely
Okay, hold on.
Mayweather. Oh, who you fighting? Oh, man. pretty RSX. Oops, I mean that pretty RSX y'all just saw the glamour shots of. I'm currently riding shotgun in it. I'm gonna test it out with a Scat Pack. Yeah, that's the situation right now. See how it goes. I just switched sides. I'm in the Scat Pack.
We're in America, dude.
We're in America. Yo, we're gonna race Kenny's.
The track is almost done.
We're gonna race Kenny's car now.
Wait for that guy first.
Do you race people with the AC on?
Yeah, dude, don't mind. Full blast, I race this guy.
He said,
No, I'm gonna turn it off. I'm kind of scared.
Alright, we in the Snack Pack.
Okay.
Alright.
You beat, bro. You beat.
No, not me.
You.
Alright, how about I do 1, 2, 3?
Alright, you do 1, 2, 3.
On the third beat.
I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three.